Hello everyone, today we will be unboxing the QuietComfort earbuds. First, let's look at the front of the box, and then let's look at the back. As you can see, it says compatible with iPhone, iPad, iPod, and Android. Okay, now let's cut open the top of the box and see what we find inside. Okay, looks like we have a case with the earbuds inside the case, and once we pry it open here, we can see that the earbuds come fully charged, so that's nice. And here's just a quick look at it. Let's put that away, and then next we'll look at the different sizes that come available for the earbud inserts. First we have size 3, and then it comes with the size 1. It already comes fitted with size 2. So, and here we have the USB-C charging cable. There's no wall charger in the box, so you have to plug it directly in your computer or another USB-A charging adapter you have. Now let's take out, after here, Now let's take out the earbuds and just see how they look. As you can see, the case gets a little messy. So they're magnetic, and so it makes for a secure fit when you close the box. And there's one. Yep, and let's put in the other one, and it closed nice and snug. So last look at it. Yeah, so basically there you have it. That was all that comes in the packaging. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews of the Bose QC earbuds. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.